We're just here to teach you something simple, and that is making straps. This is the fabric that I'm going to use. Nice and stretchy. You don't necessarily have to have stretchy fabric, but I like anything with stretch. Right now, I'm just making a straight line. That's it. I'm cutting off the selvage, and the straight line that I'm using to cut off the selvage is going to work in my favor. So right now I'm just cutting a straight line. Right now I'm just going to measure out 1 1/4 inches. Line that up with the straight line and cut. You can use whatever measurement that you like. I like to have them a little bit thinner. This measurement makes it a little bit easier to flip it inside out, so that's why I like this measurement. Here it is, all finished, nice and stretchy. What you'll do is fold this in half and stitch very close to the edge, like so. Now that you're finished that, you will take your loop turner hook. That's what this is called. You'll put it inside of your strap, and right now you just want to flip it. That is the hard part about this. Nothing else is hard. It's really just kind of getting it flipped. Once it's flipped, you just pull it through. And that is it. It is that easy to make straps. I'm showing this video because I'm about to start doing some things with straps. So I hope you guys will stick around and subscribe and keep on supporting. Thank you for watching my video.